The best bitwala exchange rate tip is all about timing and strategy. Bitwala offers a simple platform for buying, selling, and sending cryptocurrency, but the key to maximizing your funds is understanding how exchange rates fluctuate. Unlike traditional banks, Bitwala's rates change in real time according to market demand and supply. Monitoring these changes closely can save significant money on conversions. One effective approach is to watch for moments when the euro to crypto rates, or crypto to euro rates, are slightly higher than average. Even a small difference, such as 0.5% to 1%, can mean saving or gaining several dollars when dealing with larger amounts. Avoid converting during peak market volatility unless necessary, as sudden dips can reduce your returns. Using Bitwala's app or website alerts can be helpful to track these movements. Set notifications for your preferred crypto pair so that you can act immediately when rates are favorable. Patience and discipline often outperform hasty trades. Another tip is to consider the timing of bank transfers. Depositing euros into Bitwala before making a conversion allows you to lock in a better rate without relying on last-minute market fluctuations. Conversely, converting crypto to euros during high market activity can sometimes trigger slightly lower rates due to temporary liquidity issues. Transaction fees on Bitwala are relatively low compared to other platforms, but even small fees affect the final amount you receive. Always factor in the fee to determine the net benefit of a trade. By focusing on market timing, setting alerts, and being mindful of fees, you can consistently achieve better exchange rates on Bitwala. This approach ensures that every conversion maximizes your dollars, making your cryptocurrency management smarter and more efficient.